Today our topic is sound. What is sound? Sound in physics, sound is a vibration that propagates as acoustic wave through a transmission medium such as gas, liquid, or solid. In human psychology, sound is a reception of such waves and their perception by the brain. Only acoustic waves that have frequencies lying between about 20 Hz and 20 kHz audio frequency range elicit an auditory percept in humans. In air at atmospheric pressure, these represent sound waves with wavelength of 17 meters 56 feet to 1.7 centimeters 0.67 inch. Sound waves above 20 kHz are known as ultrasound and are not audible to humans. Sound waves below 20 Hz are known as ultrasound and are not audible to humans. Sound waves below 20 Hz are known as infrasound. Different animal species have varying hearing ranges. Acoustics is the interdisciplinary science that deals with the study of mechanical wave in gases, liquids, and solids, including vibration, sound, ultrasound, and infrasound. A scientist who works in the field of acoustics is an acoustician, while someone working in the field of acoustical engineering may be called an acoustical engineer. An audio engineer, on the other hand, is concerned with the recording, manipulation, mixing, and reproduction of sound. Applications of acoustics are found in almost all aspects of modern society. Subdisciplines include aeroacoustics, audio signal processing, architectural acoustics, bioacoustics, electroacoustics, environmental noise, musical acoustics, noise control, psychoacoustics, speech, ultrasound, underwater acoustic, and vibration. Sound it defines as oscillation in pressure, stress, particle displacement, particle velocity propagated in a medium with internal forces, or the superposition of such propagated oscillation auditory sensation evoked by the oscillation described. Sound can be viewed as a wave motion in air or other elastic media. In this case, sound is a stimulus. Sound can also be viewed as an excitation of the hearing mechanism that results in the perception of sound.